Hi, and welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 21st of February 2023. Well, not a lot happened yesterday, so this is more of a roundup and a look at what is likely to happen during today's trading session. Yeah, President's Day yesterday, so as it says here, futures drift with US market closed for President's Day. And President's Day news roundup, Asia markets open. Monday was thin volumes amid holiday closures in North America, so not a lot of activity at all. Economic news today, it's flash day today. I got the flash news out at, starting from 8:15 with the French, then we've got the German at 8:30, 9:30 we've got the UK, and then US flash news at 2:45. They'll be wanting this to be the actual to be lower than the forecast for all of these because it's an inflationary indicator. So that should bring a bit of liveliness to the market if it turns out to be positive. So let's move on, have a quick look at the markets for yesterday. Like I say, not a lot to report, but it's just worth getting up to speed, seeing where things are trading, particularly overnight as well. So starting off with the Dow, you can see there inside bar yesterday, very narrow range. Overnight, the market sideways to lower. There's your 50 EMA, which the market came off during Friday. That's going to be the first area of support in the daily chart. In the 30-minute chart, this is yesterday's activity, just drifted down. And at the moment you can see that we're at yesterday's low. And the market's just trying to get above this. We've got the 20 bar moving average in its way there. Let me just make this just a bit bigger so you can see it. So we've got the low there just coming off above the 20 bar moving average, and the 50 EMA close and DP on the upside there. The high is, where are we? About 150 points away from where we're currently trading. In the German DAX, this also drifting lower yesterday, but overnight the market nowhere near yesterday's low. This can be seen in the 30-minute chart. So there's yesterday's low. Market above this. We did see a bit of a sell-off in the in the German market yesterday morning, down to the DP. Once we got to the DP, it was a horrible trade to the downside. It just kept moving down, then moving back up, which you can see there, and then down, and then back up. It was a right frustrating morning. But eventually the market found support at the DP and has been sideways overnight. Like I say, nowhere near the low at the close, needs to get above the DP. 200 MA is also there as well in the 30-minute chart, and then off to the high of yesterday, which is about 70 points away from where the market's currently trading. In the S&P, very tiny bar for yesterday, as can be seen there. 30-minute chart, not a lot there at all. Like I say, for me, it's about looking at where the market is to its previous day's low, and the S&P is just below this one at the moment, as the Dow was too. Like I say, there's not a lot to really report, as it's very quiet. The FTSE also quiet day there yesterday, quiet on the overnight as well. Down yesterday with the DAX to the DP also, then retracing, then moving back up towards Friday's high but failing, and then back down to the 200 MA in the evening. Overnight, the market back at support 8,000. That's going to be a crucial area, as you can see now for the FTSE. 8,000 is a very important number. It needs to get back above the close. It's got the 20, the 50, the DP, and also the resistance to the left there to get back to the high of yesterday. In the currencies, also very, very quiet, and GBP, JPY, 30-minute, again, the DP coming into play, moving the market back up. Overnight, the market's now moving off the DP, heading back towards yesterday's high. And of course, the highs are going to be easy to achieve, and the lows, given the narrow range of yesterday for these markets. In the pound, also very quiet, sitting at 38 there with the resistance of Like I say, that 38% fib retracement. It's been and tested the low, so we'll look at the 30-minute. It's tested the low there and traded up, and now we're sideways to higher and trying to get back above the DP. This means that the US dollar was must be drifting down slightly. Let's have a look at that. So the daily charts, yesterday it drifted down a bit. Overnight it's starting to move up slightly. Let's just have a quick look at the 30-minute chart and see what's going on. So it's gapped up overnight and is drifting down. It needs to fill this gap. So yeah, that's why the pound's moving up at the moment. And then into the metals. Yesterday, the silver holding, but overnight it's not. I think we're going to get a retest of the lows, probably see that happen today, depending on the inflationary flash news. Yesterday, not a lot to report. Sat at Friday's close, then came back up and then back down. There's a low. It's going to be hit today. It always is in the silver market once it starts to trend down in the daily chart. You'll see they love taking out the following day's lows and like to do it in style. We did see some buying come in there in the 200 area, 200 MA area, but again you can see now it's starting to move lower again. Same with gold. Still red there, no green around at the moment. 30-minute chart coming off the low as well. It can manage to do this until the London fix comes in. Then it gets slammed. That's the pattern that we've seen for a very, very long time in the metals markets, to keep the price suppressed and the central banks so they can buy gold at a cheaper price, using the paper market to buy the physical market at a discount. Okay, that's it for this one. Let's see what the flash news does to the markets today. And yeah, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next.